Welcome back to the Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Southwest Cape Coral and I have this beautiful home here to show you. It's a golf access home. Wait until you see the inside, okay? And the backyard. You're gonna be amazed. And one of the nice things about this home is that it has a triple lot size. Check out this side yard over here. So the wall for your boat is 120 feet from one point to the other. Okay, so let me not take too much of your time and let's start this tour. Okay, as you can see, it's a beautiful entrance here. Nice landscape, very mature. Today is a beautiful day with temperatures in the 59 degrees zone. So it's cold for us here in Florida. So let's just go and take a beautiful look at this entrance here. As you come in, you're welcome with this beautiful living room, and very big as you can see. Over there to the left is the master bedroom with a double door entrance. Very nice master bedroom, but first we're going to do this side of the home. Okay, over here you got your kitchen. Over there you have your dining room table, but let's first do this side of the home here. You have here an area here that you could use it as a dining. Maybe you could enclose it later on and make it into a den. It's a very nice size. Okay. The home has tile all throughout, so it's really good. Let's go here, this bedroom here. Let's call this bedroom number 1. Let's take a quick look. Very nice and bright. Okay. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, and it's 2,071 square feet under here. Okay, this is the guest bathroom. Now we're gonna go to bedroom number 2. This one is nice because you have the door there, the glass door there leads outside. And you can actually see the canal from here. And you have a jacuzzi out there. Let me stand over here so you visualize the size of the room. And let me give you a peek of this area out here. We'll be going out there shortly. Okay. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the kitchen. Let me show you a little bit from this side. I don't know if I showed you the front door from this side. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the kitchen. Remember, if you would like to know more information on this property, feel free to scan the barcode on the screen or go on the description below, and there will be a link that will give you the price and the status at the time that you're watching this video. Okay, so anytime that you're watching this video, you want to know the price of this home and the status, just scan the barcode or go in the description below. Okay, here, check out the dining room. And you got a beautiful view of the pool from here. Okay, and let's get a closer look now at the kitchen. I like the pantry over here. Check this pantry out. It even says pantry on it. Nice pantry. Let me know what you guys think about this home. Here's your sink over here. You could look at your living room while you're here, or you also have access to your dining room there. And the roof ceilings, very high ceilings, vaulted ceilings here. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the master bedroom. Like I told you, it's very nice. But first, let's stop over here and show you the laundry. Very nice laundry. Plenty of closets. And then over here, you got your double car garage, and it also brings the door that leads out, so you can take your trash out there, and you have also your AC up here. So it's not bad. Okay, now let's go take a look at that master. Okay, here we go. I like this, that when you come in, you got your bathroom on this side, and you got your master bedroom on that side. But first, let's do the master bedroom here first. Let me show you the closet. Let's go by closet number 1, and then this is closet number 2. A little smaller. Okay, and check out the size of this master bedroom. Okay, let me move over here. Check out the view of the pool and the canal from here. Nice. And you have a lot of space. Look at all the space you have on this corner over here. Okay, let me go over here. Check it out. Now let's go ahead over to the master bathroom. I like this double door entrance. Really nice. Okay, you have a closet over here, tile closet. Beautiful tub. And over here you got your shower. Small bench there. And you got your toilet closet over here. The home is in pretty good shape. It's a 2003, so it's in very good condition. Okay, now let's go outside. That's what all you guys like to see. We're out. Like I always say in my videos, this is what Florida it's all about. Check out this beautiful pool here. And you got your canal out there. We're going to be walking out there, show you the 125 feet seawall. Okay, but first, let me show you the pool here closer. Nice pool. If you like to swim, this is a pool you can swim. Sometimes you got those little pools, but this is a nice big pool. Okay, now let's go over. Let's go over to this side. Remember that other room that had those doors, glass doors? So those are the glass doors. Check out this area here. How nice. Look at this. And check out how high the house is from the water. Okay, let's go take a look at the canal now. You're gonna stand in the corner so you could visualize the size of this lot. It's from here all the way over there. You have a very nice lift here. Put your boat right here. Let me give you a view of the canal. And on this side, you have a little bridge over there. Now let me show you the extra lot here. Look at this. You got this entire yard on the side of the home here. Mango plant. That's where all your pool equipment is. Your AC over there at the end. Really nice patio. Very unique. to have such a big house and you have all this yard still left here. Okay, let's go back down here. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Remember, if you're looking for a home here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I have been selling real estate in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers for over 25 years, and we have helped a lot of subscribers find their dream home. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We're here for you, okay? We receive calls every week, and we love to take your calls and find out where you guys are from and what are your plans, okay? So feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. If you would like to continue watching more videos, you could click right here. Now I would like to thank the seller agent, Christy Davis from Keller Williams, for letting me show this beautiful house. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.